Value for money, a practical guide to understanding this essential phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, value for money. This is a common term used in various contexts, from shopping to evaluating services. Understanding this phrase is key for English learners, especially when dealing with financial decisions. So, let's dive in. Value for money refers to getting the most for your money spent. It's not just about finding the cheapest option. It's about finding the best quality or the most favorable outcome for the price paid. This phrase often comes up in conversations about purchases, investments, or comparing different products or services. Let's look at some examples. 1. Shopping for electronics. When buying a laptop, a model that offers the best performance for its price would be considered good value for money. 2. Choosing a service. If you subscribe to a streaming service and find a wide variety of quality content, you might say it provides great value for money. 3. Evaluating investments. An investment that offers high returns at a reasonable risk level could be seen as offering value for money. This phrase isn't just limited to shopping or finance. It can be used in any situation where you're assessing the worth of something against its cost. For example, education. A course that offers comprehensive learning at a reasonable fee could be described as providing value for money. Travel. A vacation package that includes several amenities and experiences at a fair price is another instance of value for money. It's important to note that value for money doesn't always mean the cheapest option. It's about balance between cost and quality. Sometimes, spending a bit more can result in much better quality, which in the long run, can be considered better value for money. Understanding value for money is crucial for making informed decisions in both personal and professional life. It's about finding the right balance between cost and quality. We hope this video helps you grasp this essential concept and apply it in your daily life. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.